Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix audio delay in Capcut. So if your audio is out of sync in Capcut, you can follow these fixes to solve the audio delay or lag issues while editing your video. So the first one is you can just restart your Capcut and your device. You can close Capcut completely and restart your phone or PC if you are using Capcut PC. Then open Capcut again and check if the issue is fixed. Second one, you can clear the Capcut cache. If you are using on your phone, you can open Capcut and then go to the settings. Tap on me, click on the settings at the top right corner, and in here find storage or find the clear cache option. Then tap on confirm. And after that, you can restart Capcut and check the audio sync. And next, you can manually sync audio and video. So if the audio doesn't match with the video, you can try adjusting it manually. You can just open your project. And then after that, you can tap on the audio track. Let's say this is my project. You can tap on the audio track. After that, you can drag it left or right to sync with the video, just like this. And you can also use the split tool to trim and realign the audio. Next, you can also try to convert and re-import audio. If the issue is with an imported audio file, you can convert the audio first to MP3 or WAV using an online converter, and delete the old audio and import the new file. And after that, you can sync it with the video. Next, you can also disable the high frame rate. So higher FPS can cause audio lag. You can try lowering it. So before you exporting your projects, let's say this one's right here, you can tap on this one at the top, and here you can try to lower the frame rate in here. And after that, you can export and check if the issue is fixed. And don't forget to also update your Capcut to the latest versions, because maybe there's crash on the audio because your Capcut is outdated. Next one, you can also just try to reinstall Capcut, and this is the last resort. So if nothing works, you can uninstall and reinstall Capcut to fix any corrupt files. So these fixes should be able to solve the audio delay issue in Capcut, but if the problem continues, you can try editing the video in another app and check if the issue still exists. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.